I wanted to take a moment to provide a channel update. It's the end of the year, and what a year it has been. We started this channel back in the summer, but it was kind of a rough start, and I ended up taking a couple of months off to focus on other pressing matters. But now I'm moving forward. I started this channel initially to document my own preparedness efforts and to share with you what I've learned along the way. So many of my videos were product reviews for items I discovered and added to my own prep. I picked items that I felt were a good value, was something that I needed, and thought perhaps it would help you also. But on this channel, I am very selective on what I recommend, and I won't recommend junk. Now, I do get offers from companies every week on this channel and my other channel, the Woodworking Garage, offers to send me things for free in hopes that I'll make a video about it. But I decline almost all of these types of offers. So I hope you understand. I'm not making videos about products only to get items for free or to earn money from commissions on items that you may purchase. If I wanted to do that, there are more lucrative subjects that I could have chosen that are not related to the prepping community. But for me, prepping is an important subject, and I have a lot to learn and some things to share. So that's why I'm doing it. But the production of videos can be costly. Currently, my video production costs range from $100 to $200 for each video. And that's not including my time. And because this is a newer channel, I don't earn much from YouTube for the videos I do produce. So affiliate agreements and product promotions help to support this channel. It does not cost you anything more, but when you click on an affiliate link and make a purchase, I sometimes make a small commission. Now, I say sometimes because some of the products I recommend don't offer affiliate commissions. Yet I recommend them because I think they're a great product at a good value that may be helpful to you. I don't allow companies to officially sponsor my videos or my channel, because sponsorships can oftentimes have limitations on what I can do and say. And most of the items I discuss, I actually purchase with my own money. Now, on this channel, you won't find content that is pay to play. In other words, I don't offer special content to paying members on Patreon or some other monetized platforms. My content is free and always will be free to everyone. All I ask from you is, if you like a particular video, to hit the like button and leave a comment if you feel prompted to do so. Now, as we move into 2022, I am making a slight adjustment to my channel. There is so much happening now and so much information going around, I think some of it is worthy of discussion. So I'm starting a new series on this channel where I will share my thoughts and ideas about certain current events and sharing ideas on how maybe you and I should be preparing for what comes next. What I will not be doing is fear-mongering for clicks. In other words, I will not be hyping everything you hear in the news or make it sound worse than it is to try to stir up emotions, to build this channel, to get more clicks, or to scare you into making purchases you don't need to be making. There is plenty of that going around already. However, you will hear me discuss things that are of concern to me and I feel important to share with you. Whatever the crisis, whatever the concern, whatever the discussion, I will try my best to take a sensible approach. We are called YouTube influencers for a reason, because we have the ability to influence our viewers' thoughts and perceptions. So a careful approach is the responsible thing to do. Also new for 2022 is a new name and website. If you've been here before, you know our channel name was Prepare to Survive. But as we started to build our website to support our efforts, the name Prepare to Survive wasn't available. So with some careful thought, I decided to rebrand this channel. So now it's Downgrid Survival. I will keep Prepare to Survive as our motto, but the new channel and website will now work hand in hand. The new site will be updated regularly with information, videos, product recommendations, and discount codes. So I hope you take a moment to check it out and stick around to watch it grow. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. If you're new here, I hope you will consider joining our community and making my channel a source of honest and productive content. Our future is uncertain, and often times seem bleak. But whatever it holds for each of us, let us make that journey together. Thanks for watching.